Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. It's Friday. That means, well, Alice Cooper said it best. All right, class. Time to get your seats and settle down. Let's go now. Come on, get your seats. Let's go. Herbie, stop trying to look down her blouse. Get to your seat. Let's go. All right. So, today, our letters of today are going to be SX. Who did that? What is this? You think this is a joke? Herbie, get your finger out of your nose. Now eat it. Eat it. All right. So, I know who did this. Herbie, Dean's office now. All right, so I've got a little bit of an unboxing to do. I hate when they ship guitars in the original boxes that they came from. Although, this is the SX Strat style guitar in a Epiphone box. So let's get this thing opened up and take a look at it. All right, looks like I got a free garbage bag, maybe. So everything that's inside this box is what's going to go with this guitar. Now I do have an SX box, maybe not for this this guitar, but let's get everything out of here and out of the way and everything else. So first off, we have a, looks like probably a 20-inch, or sorry, 20-foot PV patch cord. So that will be going with this guitar. Alright. Oh wow, this is actually quite nice. I mean, I think I'm going to need both hands for this. Maybe throwing it. Oh Jesus, there's a towel in here too. Alright, so this is not a love letter. This is just the eBay packing ticket. So I'm going to need both hands for this. So let me get this thing out of here. Well, this is a first. They put in a Superman towel inside of the box to help protect the guitar. Brand new, even with the washcloth still attached. That's kind of interesting. Well, like I said, you know, whatever came in this box is going with the guitar when I do my giveaway, right? So that'll be part of it. All right, so let's move over to the counter, take a look at things and what all is, because there's more stuff here and a few other things. So I'm going to set this up on the counter. Bear with me. All right, so what we're looking at is a SX VTG series, custom handmade. And I gotta say, this actually is a pretty nice guitar. Frets can use a little bit on the corners to be filed down. Now this is a left-handed guitar. I do kind of see like a small scratch right here. Not that big of a deal, and it I can stick my fingernail in it, so it is a little deep. Now this is a transparent blue. All right, so you can see the wood through this, and this looks like it is a two-piece. Yeah, because it looks like different here and here, but I don't see anything over here. Two-piece body. The neck joint is good. A little bit of scuffing on it. It might have been from shipping. You know, sometimes that happens. Now this was supposed to be like somewhat new maybe to the owner, but I'll take care of a lot of these scuff marks. Not a big deal. Got the skunk stripe going down the center of the back of the neck, a maple neck, and SX tuners, which I think I'll leave those on there. I don't think I'm going to change them out. Two-way truss rod, says it right on the back. Made in China. Now, like I said, everything goes with this thing, so the strap will go with it. There was also this inside of here with a bunch of, looks like handmade picks. Yeah, handmade picks out of an Apple. Yeah, out of an Apple, probably a gift card. So that's that. That's the guitar. And I will plug it in. Looks like it still has the plastic on. Yeah, it still has the plastic over the pick guard. Not on the back. And there is no truss rod cover for this. Nice maple fretboard. Binding on both sides of the neck. That's kind of nice. The nut looks pretty good. I might have to do, I might put a bone nut on here. So let's see here. Just see, it still has the plastic on here. I will take that off when I do the restringing of it. Chrome is in good shape, not bad at all. All right, so let's see what else this thing has. A little backpack style bag here. All right, so here is a brand new PV, was XLR cable, and also a PV microphone. And it could be all yours if the price is right. Yeah, I'm going to polish her up, see if I can get some of the scuffs and some of the scratches off of it. Not a big deal. It is very nice. I mean, it's got a nice transparent blue. No fretwear whatsoever on this thing. Yeah. None of the corners of the headstock are chipped or missing or anything. No, she looks pretty good. All right. So with a little bit of polishing up, I'll look up, see what type of pickups are inside of here. I want to do a setup on here. I'm probably going to replace the nut up at the top with a bone nut, unless this already is a bone nut. But the action height at the first fret, well, it's probably because there's no relief at all in the neck. Yeah. And do a little bit of fret polishing and knocking down some of these little sharp edges that are on here. It's not bad, but it could be better. So that's it. This will be with the giveaway that I'm going to be doing soon. It's probably going to be like an early Christmas giveaway. And yeah, so we got the guitar, which will have a complete setup on there, polished up, frets worked on. You have a PV. This is the PV I100 microphone. You have a PV cable for it, and it plugs into, say, you know, an amplifier. A PV patch cord, which looks like a 20-footer. And don't forget Superman. Yeah, I know. I'll just throw that in for the shits and giggles. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout. I'm going to be doing some work on this thing. I'll be making videos about it and getting her up and going. And I do have to find... You know, I hate when people do this. There is no reason to arch your saddles. You're supposed to have them nice and straight, and they're in steps, not rounded. I hate when people do that. Anyways, new set of strings, probably your Ernie Ball. What's on here right now? Let's see here. This is 9s, so I'll put 9s back on it. The only thing, Do you float these bridges or not? That I don't know, because usually I dock these guys, especially on this type of a bridge. I'll dock it. So let me know what you guys think about this. You know, should I dock it or be able to pull back on it a little bit? Don't know. Anyways, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. You guys take it easy. Have a good one. And like I said, be on the lookout for videos of doing some work on this thing, and be on the lookout for my contest that I'll be having. It'll be 2 guitars, one left, one right, one SX lefty, and one Kramer righty. It'll be like an early Christmas. So, and I'm going to I'm going to do some look into some of the shipping for Canada. And I want to try to get everybody involved in this. So let's see how this goes. All right, guys, take it easy. Have a good one. Rock on. Try to stay a little bit warm out there. It's starting to get a cold. And, fall's here. It hit hard. Somebody flipped a switch and went from summer to fall just like that. All right, later.